Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Laura, and today I am going to be working on my days in my Hobonichi. This is the Techo 2020 Original Spring Edition, so it started in April. And I use this as my health and wellness tracker, and so I'm just going to clean up my days a little bit by adding some washi tape to cover up the Japanese, just because I don't understand Japanese, and I like to make it a little bit prettier. I am still using up my big fat washi. I'm running out slowly but surely, but I have been on a mission to just use it and not buy any more until I really need to, which is great. I have a lot of thin washi though. I really need to figure out more ways to be creative with that, but need it to be semi-thick for these areas. So yeah, I'm having a hard time laying this one down. I like to keep track of my chronic health stuff in this, and well, let's see, I like to keep track of my exercise, and sometimes I keep track of how many steps a day I do. Let's see, I'm losing track of my days. I need to go through the 19th, right? I think 18th. So yeah, I like to keep track of that stuff in here, and that's about it for this. I use it kind of to keep myself accountable and motivated, and it's a great way to keep track of the chronic illness stuff, so that when I have to see a doctor, I can take it with me and be like, okay, well, this is what was going on and this is what happened, and makes it easier so we can all kind of understand, hopefully, what is currently going on in my health at that point. So it's pretty great for that, I think. And I like the size still, that's been working out for me. It's really portable, the A6 size. I don't know if I could use it for everything, but overall I can definitely fit pretty much everything. I guess there's probably some days that I struggle with getting everything on one page, which is fine. It happens. I can roll over to another page if I have to, or put it in a different part of the notebook, but I try to keep it around all the same area. So that's kind of cool. So yeah, this is what I do. It works for me. Kind of keep it clean and, I don't know, ready to go. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'd love to have you subscribe if you haven't yet by hitting that red subscribe button, and see you again soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a blessed day.